Okay friends, let's do Dog Eat Dog guitar lesson by AC/DC. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So our intro is just an E, but when you play it, play down to the B string. And then A, again, play down to the B string, and then D, power chord. And just hold that, and then do that again. B, A, D. And that's our intro there. Then we have the verse, let me play that for you. Okay, so we've got this E power chord, play it once, then do 2 palm mutes, then play the A power chord, 2 palm mutes on the A string, then play the D power chord and do 4 palm mutes on the open E string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're just playing D, A, and that's the first riff. We're going to call that the E riff, and we do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do that through 4 times, and then we're just changing it. We're going A, 2 palm mutes, D, 2 palm mutes, play G, now do 4 palm mutes on the open D string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G, D, and we do that 2 times. So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then just go back to the E riff and do that 2 more times. So our E, A, D, D, A. Do that 2 more times, and then we go to a B power chord and we play down, 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 and then to an A power chord, do the same. Down, 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 up there. And that's our verse there. Now let's have a look at the chorus and we play that for you. So it's similar to the intro, but this time we're going to play the E once and then just play the E and the A string on the E chord. And then play the A power chord and just play the A and the D string and then hold the D power chord and do that 2 times. 3 and again. 3, 4. And that's our chorus there. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So from that chorus, we just go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, and then we go back to the chorus again, that's exactly the same. Then we have the solo, so let me do the solo rhythm, and we'll look at the solo at the end. So this time we're starting on our A power chord. We get off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, and then do 3 mutes. 1, 2, 3, D, back to the A, and then 2 more mutes, and do that 2 times. So. Do that 2 times, then we do the same thing, but we go to the E. So off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, 3 mutes, 1, 2, 3, and then A, D, mute, and do that 2 times there. Then go back to the A one again, so 2 times again. Then we just do our chorus, so it's just the A, play the E and the A, and then A, and then D, and do that 2 times. that's our solo rhythm there, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we just go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, chorus, same again, and then we have this little outro. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing the same as the verse, the A, D, back to the mutes on the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our D, A. The second time it changes, we got the A, and then just hold the D and do that 2 times. And then we're basically going back to the chorus. We have the A, D. The only changes here, before we go back to the E, we put the open strings into it. So we're doing an up and we're hitting the open B, G and D string there. It's not precise, so it doesn't really matter. And just repeat again. B, A, D, open. Then as the last chorus keeps going here, builds on the D, so we still do the E and the A the same. Now we play the D, up, down, and then on the up we do the open. So So he's building up that chorus towards the end there. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're just sliding up to 14 on the B and 12 on the E and do it 4 times. Do that again. Then do it again, but do 6 times. 5, 6, come up to 15B, 14 on the E, 1, 2, 3, and then back to 14 and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. And do that 2 times. Two times, and then we're doing exactly the same thing, but we're going to come back to 9 on the B, 7 on the E. Come up to 10 on the B, 9 on the E, and back to 9 and 7. Do that 2 times, then just repeat the first one again 2 times. Two times, and then we're just finishing with the E again, A, and then do a bend on the 4th fret on the A string. Vibrato on that, and do that 2 times. So like we do the chorus. And that's our solo there, and they're all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Dog Eat Dog Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s and 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. I'll see you soon.